Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing amazing, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I post about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and sometimes editing videos. If you guys are interested in that, then be sure to subscribe. Today I have partnered up with a precious MUIR. They are a hair company based here in London. They do human hair and synthetic hair, so basically making it affordable for anyone to buy. I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of their pieces that they have gladly sent me, and I'm going to be giving you guys my full honest review. They have not told me to say anything in this video. This is literally just like my honest review. I'm going to be putting hair on my hair. Okay, I always get tongue-tied when I'm saying things, but if you guys understand what I just said, they are basically wigs, so I'm going to be putting it on my head. I normally never wear wigs. Wigs are never really my thing. I went through a phase where I did wear a wig, but I found it really hard and actually time consuming, but I think it's because I'm just not really good at putting on wigs. But we're gonna try today. You guys are gonna be trying it with me. I also have a ponytail that they sent me that I'm going to be starting off with. I have already washed my hair. That's why my hair looks like this, and it's not like in its glamorous state as usual. But I'm gonna be basically putting on the ponytail first. I have tied my hair up already. I did put a bit of gel, but as you can see, I don't even have any baby hairs. So yeah, I'm just gonna get that sorted, and let's get started. So I've zoomed you guys a little bit in just so you guys can see what I'm working with. This is my hair, and it's literally, I have not done anything to it. It's just washed. I'm gonna take off the headband. Actually, I don't know if I am. I'm gonna be using these two gels. So I have the Fudge Professional hair gum. This is extremely strong. It is I believe it's for men's, but I use it because it's literally strong, and it's better than, I don't know, it's not better than Got2b gel. I always use Got2b gel. Everyone uses Got2b gel, but Got2b gel is white and this is clear, so that's why I like to sort of like mix both. I'm gonna just get started and start with Got2b gel and basically take down my, basically lay my edges because they're looking a little bit cray cray right now. So I do like to put a little bit, a lot of bit. I say a little bit and I've literally just put like a lot. So I'm just going to like, I'm just using my hands and putting this in my hair. Guys, I'm not a beauty guru, so if anything doesn't make sense, like just go with it. I'm gonna put a bit more Got2b gel. I'm gonna put it at the back as well. I'm gonna be using this brush. It's a wooden brush. It's so thick. It's like the best brush to use, and I'm just going to like brush everything in place. So I'm using the Fudge Extreme Hold hair gum, and I'm putting a little bit. I've literally just put a little amount, and I'm going to just go on my edges with this. I'm gonna be using this brush. This is from, I believe, Humble Brush. I'll put everything in the description, but I'm just going to take a little bit of baby hairs. I normally never do baby hairs, but I'm just going to like emphasize the edges a little bit, just like that, just so I don't look like I'm freaking bald, as you can see. So it kind of makes a bit of a difference, but I'm just going to just edge that a little. I'm gonna take off this hair tie, and I'm also going to take another hair tie and just get that ready on my hand. And I'm going to properly tighten my hair because at the back it's not like fully tight. So I'm going to just take the brush again I want a super high ponytail, so I'm going to put it somewhere here and really just try my best to tighten it. I think now that is super tight, so that's how my hair is looking like right now. Everything is out of the way. A little bit of got to be gel because I can see like flyaways already happening, and I actually need to put a headband just to get everything in place. So I'm going in with a little bit of got to be gel just to lay the edges again because they're flying. I'm gonna be taking this headband and just laying down my edges with it. It's a headband I bought from like a shop. I'm gonna find one similar and link it in the description box, but I basically bought a headband and then I cut it in half. They normally come like as a round thing, but I cut it so I can be able to like tighten it as much as I want, and that's how it looks like. And I've just taken the headband just a little bit up just so that it kind of lays the edges even up here. I'm just going to plait it and hopefully I'll be able to twist it. I don't want to straighten my hair just because I'm gonna put the ponytail. I just don't really think I should damage my hair anymore. I've just taken a small rubber band. I'm gonna tie this at the end of my hair. Normally I would just like straighten my hair, but I really just don't want to damage my hair anymore. So what I'm doing is I'm going to twist this. I'm going to be taking a hair clip and just clipping my hair in place. Just one is enough. I forgot to show you guys the packaging, and I think packaging is very important for any business, and I absolutely love their packaging. So the hair basically comes in this bag that you can store later on. It just says the Precious collection at the back. It also has their addresses. The hair also comes in like a silk bag, so it's really good for storing. So this is the silk bag the hair comes in. It's absolutely amazing. I love that it's silk because obviously silk keeps hair tangle free. Also put in some eyelashes that I cannot wait to try. Today I'm only going to be showing you guys the ponytail because this video is going to be so long if I show you guys the rest of the hair. So be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified next time I post. I will be showing you guys how I styled the wig and also curly hair. And yeah, let me just show you guys how I put on this ponytail. This is the ponytail. It is 24 inches long, 125 grams, and 100% synthetic hair. It comes with these two clips that I think is really good for just clipping and gripping your hair. And it also comes with this adjuster that I think is amazing for tightening the hair. So it basically goes on like this. I think this is just like the most simplest thing I've ever gotten, and I think this will save me a lot of time in the morning. Okay, the clips are tangled, but untangled them right now. So I'm just going to use the two clips to guide me and hopefully clip this onto the hair. Currently it's looking like it's going to bulge, but let's see. So I'm just using the adjuster and going to really try and clip that. Okay, I look crazy. I'm going to take this off and take down my hair because I think that's what's affecting it. So I realized my ponytail was a little bit too high, so I've basically like taken it down and I'm going to reapply the ponytail again. I think this is much better. Before I clipped it like this, but actually I think I meant to clip it like this so that when I clip the ponytail it basically looks like that. It's so crazy right now, I literally look bald. But yeah, I'm going to just clip the ponytail like this, and then I've got this adjuster here that I'm going to use to tighten it all together. So as I apply the ponytail. I'm basically taking my hair and folding it like that, and then I'm going to put one of the clips at the top. I'm going to take the other clip and put it at the bottom, and then I'm gonna take the adjuster, which is on this side, and then I'm gonna just tighten that. Kind of have like this hanging outside, so I'm just gonna take it and roll it around the hair so you can't tell. Actually, I might just try hide it underneath the hair, so just like feed it in through the hair. Much better. This is how the ponytail looks like. I'm going to just brush the hair. One thing I'll say, the hair does get a bit tangled, but I think it's because it's so thick and obviously long, so it's easily, you know, able to get tangled. And also I think it's because it's like synthetic hair, but you can always just brush it. It just smoothens out easily. And this is the hair. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed that video as much as I did at making it. It was a little bit tricky obviously putting it on, but I think it's so easy once like you get the grip of it. It literally took me like 2 seconds, as you guys saw. I absolutely love this hair, and I'm definitely going to be like wearing it a lot more often. It's just giving me like Molly May vibes. I'll put everything in the description box. I also have a code for you guys, which I'm going to put on the screen. You guys can use this to get some money off. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next video.